Okay, this one I see they explicitly are using this u substitution. And what are they saying? U and u. So when they do that, they say that the u is equal to 2x squared minus 3x minus 1. So it would be certainly minus 6u. And I have the minus 16 because I bring it from one, I subtract 16 from both sides. Now where do they get the u squared? I want to point out u, when squared, is going to be 2x squared minus 3x minus 1 cubed. All right, that's where the u squared is coming from. So I see that right over here. What do I do next? Factor it. Relatively simple. And then what do I get? Two solutions. I get u is equal to 8, right? And I get u is equal to minus 2. Now certainly someone says, why didn't you write the minus 2 down? Let me tell you why. Because if I wrote u as minus 2, I am saying that u is equal to the square root of something. How do I know that? I see it right over there. And these are principal roots, so I wouldn't write down the minus 2. So what do I write down instead? The 8. So what do you get? 8 equals whatever u is. We wrote that down for you. Then what do I do? Not written down for you, but we're hoping you can do it by now. What do? I would square both sides. You get 64. And then you get 2x squared minus 3x minus 1 cubed. I would then take the cube root of both sides. This is 4. And you get 2x squared minus 3x minus 1. And I got something pretty simple to solve now. All right. I'm going to do the factors. 2x and x. And I'm going to say 5 and 1. Let's see if this goes. Plus, minus, I'm going to check it. That gives you 2x squared. Let's see, 2x minus 5x minus 3x. Yeah, looks pretty good. So what do you get? X equals 5 halves, or x equals minus 1. I got those answers listed here. Now, someone's going to say, what are you going to do? I think you know what I'm going to do. I'm going to check it, right? So let me just say, I'm kind of done with this stuff here. I'm done with it. I got my answer. I'm done with that work. All the work is neatly typed up for you, by the way. For a reason, by the way. We want you to look at the work, all right? Now, someone's going to say, is that all the work you put down when you did paper pencil? No, but there's sufficient work down for the well-informed to be able to move forward in the problem. Sufficient work. There really is. So what do I want to do? I want to check it. And what am I going to check? I'm going to check minus 1 first. All right? So I really have to do this thing here, right? So what would that give you? That would give you 2 plus 3 minus 1, which is 4. That was easy. Cubed minus 6, 4 to the 3 halves. And they say it's equal to 16. Well, let's see. What's 4 cubed? 64. Minus 6 times what? Well, that's the square root of 4, which is 2. And then 2 cubed is 8. Let's keep checking. 64 minus 48. Does that equal 16? It sure does. So we certainly know minus 1 works. I want to leave it as an exercise, something for you to do. Check. Check to make sure that x equals 5 halves is the solution. How do you do that? You got to plug it in. See if it makes sense. Thank you.